Don't you just love getting in your microwave shitbox in the hot summer weather? Thinking, hey, I should crank up the fan because it's so damn hot in here. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Little did you know that you're Dutch ovening yourself with that stinking air because you were too busy bedazzling the interior of your car but you'd never change your air cabin filter. Yeah, don't be like this guy.
What is up, friends? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to another 370Z video. Today, we're doing a preventative maintenance for your cabin. Watch it.
Open glove box. Locate 7 screws. I recommend a set of steady hands and maybe a long screwdriver. Yank carefully the glove box and let it hang. Open it from the right and pull the old air filter.
I don't know about you guys, but this is disgusting. Ugh. Imagine breathing all that dust every single time, every day. Look at that. Disgusting. You got some debris there. All right. Garbage, not garbage. Garbage, not garbage. Garbage.
Make sure the arrow goes down, not up. Now do everything in reverse.
So everything's in Japanese, and I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. So this is where you're supposed to put that maintenance tag. So let's put the date today. So we're just gonna put it right over here. Yep, that's good. Did you know that you're supposed to be changing them every 12,000 kilometers? What? That's very frequent, but hey, I mean, it's Nissan, so I believe them. Mint. And that's how you replace your cabin air filter for your 370Z. If you think that this video helped you, or if it was a wake-up call for you to change yours, leave a like and consider subscribing because I'm doing a lot of 370Z videos and from time to time the cars that I have in my driveway. So I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, folks.